थैंक यू सो मच, यू एक्सेप्टेड आवर इनविटेशन एंड केम हियर। मैम, जो क्वेश्चन है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस मेरे हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके द्वारा उनके थ्रू आए हैं कुछ क्वेश्चन, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन मैम ये है कि मैं सबसे पूछता हूँ जो भी यहाँ पर आते हैं, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हैं जो भी आते हैं, सबसे पूछता हूँ कि हाउ डिड यू चूज फिजियोथेरेपी एज अ प्रोफेशन। का आप कैसे इसमें इंटर किए एज अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, हाउ डिड यू सिलेक्टेड दैट यू शुड गो फॉर द बीपीटी।
So, देखो, basically, to be honest, being the first one in healthcare from my family, my family, nobody had any idea where to go, where to start. ठीक है? It was as simple as that. It was like कि ठीक है, नीट भरना है। मेरे टाइम पे 2013 में when I passed out 12th, तभी नीट आया था। तो ठीक है, नीट भरना है, बीडीएस है जामिया का, ये बीपीटी भी है कुछ कोर्स। माय फादर ब्रॉट द फॉर्म्स, तब तो फिजिकल फॉर्म्स उस टाइम पे थे, तो वो सब फिल आउट करके भर दिए थे, एग्जाम्स दे दिए थे। नीट में प्राइवेट कॉलेज मिल रहा था, बिकॉज मिडिल क्लास से हैं तो डेफिनेटली इट इज़ नॉट अफोर्डेबल फॉर अस कि हम 10 लाख 15 लाख उस टाइम पे पर ईयर फीस देते। तो
यस
दैट
मैम।
वाज नॉट एन ऑप्शन फॉर मी। देन फिर मेरे घर में जो है, मेरे फादर, बिकॉज ही इज फ्रॉम एन एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड, फॉर हिम ड्रॉपिंग अ ईयर इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन। ही सेज कि ड्रॉप आउट करने से जो है वो, यू नो आप पढ़ाई लिखाई भूल जाते हो एंड इट विल लीड टू 1 year गैप इन योर करियर एंड एवरीथिंग। तो ही सेड कि ठीक है, बाकी और ऑप्शंस देखते हैं। तो मेरा लकीली बीपीटी में हो गया। तो ठीक है, एडमिशन भी ले लिया। तो मैंने ना तो कोई ड्रॉप आउट लेके प्रिपरेशन करी सालों के, मुझे एमबीबीएस करना है तो मैं 2 साल 3 साल प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ। नहीं, जस्ट ट्वेल्थ पास किया, नाम आ गया, नीट में प्राइवेट कॉलेज मिल रहा था, यहाँ पे जामिया मिल रहा था, तो ले लिया कि चलो यूनिवर्सिटी है, जामिया है, घर के पास है, और क्या चाहिए। उस टाइम मुझे बिल्कुल कुछ आइडिया नहीं था व्हाट दिस फील्ड इज, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। ठीक है, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड स्टडीइंग, बाकी लोगों से मिली, तो मेरे बैच में ही ऐसे ऐसे बच्चे थे जो 4 4 5 5 साल ड्रॉप करके आए थे आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नीट। सो दे हैड एन आइडिया कि व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट दिस फील्ड इज एंड व्हाट्स नॉट। तो उन सब से बात करके पता चला, सीनियर्स से बात करके पता चला कि व्हाट इट इज। देन उसके बाद मेरा इंटरेस्ट खुद एनाटमी, बायोमैकेनिक्स, इस सब में अपने आप डेवलप होने लगा, स्लोली स्लोली, बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा इंटरेस्टेड थी, पढ़ाई अच्छी करने लगी, तो टॉप मारने लगी अपने बैच में। तो आई यूज टू फील कि ठीक है, मे बी आई कैन डू बेटर इन दिस फील्ड। तो मैंने दोबारा री नीट दोबारा कभी दिया ही नहीं। ठीक है, तो एंड आई कीप कीप ऑन गोइंग। फिर क्लिनिकल स्टार्ट हुए तो दैट स्टार्टेड इंटरेस्टिंग मी इवन मोर कि ठीक है, देयर इज अ पेशेंट इंटरेक्शन, यू हैव टू टॉक टू पेशेंट। सर्टेन कॉन्फ्रेंसेज, वर्कशॉप बैचलर्स में होती थी, वो सब करे। तो वो धीरे धीरे इंटरेस्ट और डेवलप होता गया। फिर इंटर्नशिप में और फर्दर इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ। तो इट इज लाइक कि इट वाज माय डेस्टिनी। आई डिडंट चूज एनीथिंग, इट चोज मी, एंड आई जस्ट मूव्ड विद इट, एंड टुडे आई एम हियर, दैट्स ऑल।
अभी तक मैम जितने भी मैंने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट से पूछे, इनफैक्ट माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो, अबाउट सबका यही स्टोरी रहा है। एवरीवन, किसी को भी पता नहीं था व्हाट दिस फील्ड इज, बट नाउ दे आर हैविंग अ गुड रेपुटेशन इन दैट फील्ड। मैम, उसके बाद बीपीटी के बाद यू स्टार्टेड यूर एमपीटी इन कार्डियोपल्मोनरी कंडीशन। सो अपने अपने बैचलर्स के टाइम से इट वाज डिसाइडेड विद इन यू कि यू हैव टू गो फॉर द कार्डियोपल्मोनरी मास्टर्स, और हाउ डिड यू डिसाइडेड? बिकॉज
नो
कार्डियोपल्मोनरी
नो
अभी भी बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि इट इज़ बहुत, मतलब कि बहुत लोग इसमें नहीं करना चाहते हैं मास्टर्स। अभी धीरे धीरे और बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन स्टिल अभी भी ऐसा है। तो हाउ डिड यू सेलेक्टेड दिस?
तो बेसिकली मुझे ये क्लियर था कि मुझे मास्टर्स करना है। दैट वाज क्लियर, मतलब इट वाज लाइक कि और कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं, करना है तो करना है यही, और जामिया से ही करना है। एक ही फॉर्म भरा था मास्टर्स का जामिया से, ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, दैट्स ऑल। तो भरा, क्वालिफाई हो गई। आई वाज गेटिंग स्पोर्ट्स आल्सो, बट पहले मुझे कार्डियो मिला, एंड देन देयर वाज अ स्विच बिटवीन फील्ड्स, तो मेरे पास ऑप्शन था कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स में जा सकती हूँ। ठीक है, तो माय डायरेक्टर कॉल्ड मी व्हेन आई सॉ माय नेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ कार्डियो पल्मोनरी एमपीटी कि मुझे ये मिल रहा है। समहाउ इट क्लिक के आई थिंक दिस इज फॉर मी। ठीक है, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट एट दैट टाइम के, बिकॉज मेरी जो इंटर्नशिप थी लोकनायक से थी, प्योरली ऑर्थो, कि ऑर्थो इज समथिंग विच आई नो इनफ। मे बी मास्टर्स में और कुछ पढ़ भी सकते थे, बट जो जनरल बेसिक कंडीशन जिनसे हम डील करते हैं एज अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि आई हैव लर्नड इनफ, मतलब काफी ज्यादा वो आ गया है। आई डोंट नो इफ डूइंग मास्टर्स इन ऑर्थो एंड स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर आई did not have much interest because of वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा gender related problem होती है कि female physio as a sports they don't see it. ठीक है, they prefer like male physiotherapists because athletes and performance, physical appearance, strength उस वे में देखा जाता है. तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि नहीं, मुझे उस तरफ नहीं जाना है फील्ड में. तो ठीक है, कार्डियोपल्मोनरी इट्स अ रिलेटिवली अनटच्ड फील्ड, अभी एक्सप्लोर करना बाकी है. तो लेट्स ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लोर. मे बी देर आर थिंग्स पीपल डोंट नो एंड मे बी आई कैन डू बेटर इन दिस. So I chose that and somehow it turned out to be a good point for me, and I found out there are not very good physiotherapists out there who have done cardiopulmonary PT. So
बहुत रेयर
seeing
है
my name,
कार्डियो पल्मोनरी
yes, so
इज.
seeing my name among those make me now feel that that was a good decision for me, after all, because other fields are relatively saturated. That's why I chose a path which was a little different from other. And the
हाँ,
road not taken, so I took that road.
भेड़ चाल में
So
ना
that
चल
is
के कुछ अपोजिट.
bus. That's all.
Exactly. Okay, ma'am. So, what is the role of a cardiopulmonary physiotherapist in ICUs and the CCUs? उसमें क्या रूल्स होते हैं मेजर?
So basically, देखो, simple roles हैं. There are two parts. One, there is an active primary part and one is secondary part. ठीक है, जो सेकेंडरी पार्ट होता है उसमें वी प्ले अ मेजर रोल इन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ सेकेंडरी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस इन आईसीयू, बीइंग आईसीयू एक्वायर्ड मसल वीकनेस, hospital acquired pneumonia, ventilator associated pneumonias, even bed sores. ठीक है, so all these things and early mobilization for reducing the stay of patient in the hospital or ICU. तो इसमें हम डील करते हैं by keeping the patient's muscle active, keeping them contracted, regular positioning, chest clearance, ठीक है, early mobilization and everything. So that is the role which we are preventing, that once the disease process reduces, sets in, the patient should be having the enough strength to move and go to the ward and home. ठीक है, वो पड़ा रहा 15 दिन वहीं पे एक बीमारी को लेकर के, एंड आफ्टर 15 डेज जब उसकी बीमारी ठीक हुई तो उसमें ताकत ही नहीं थी, या फिर उसको और कोई इन्फेक्शन लग गया जिसकी वजह से उसको और ज्यादा रुकना पड़ा आईसीयू में. तो
कॉम्प्लिकेशंस
हम
और
उसका
बढ़
स्टे,
जाएंगे फिर इनकेस.
कॉम्प्लिकेशंस को हम उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं. अदर देन दैट वी प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन वीनिंग ऑफ द पेशेंट फ्रॉम वेंटिलेटर. ठीक है, बिकॉज कफ असेसमेंट इज अ वेरी बिग पार्ट ऑफ वेंटिलेटर से वीन करने के लिए. So there are patients who do not have good cuff strength. So in association with our consultant, our pulmonologist, we take the decision if tracheostomy is better for the patient, if we can give a trial of extubation, and then good chest clearance technique in order to prevent mucus impaction. Because sometimes क्या होता है कि temporarily cuff patient का weak है, after a week it recovers. तो उस वीक के लिए अगर आपने अच्छे से उसको चेस्ट फिजियोथेरेपी दे करके उसको प्रिवेंशन कर लिया हैप से, तो जैसे ही उसका कफ रिकवर होता है, देन ही कैन डू एवरीथिंग ऑन हिज ओन. बट दैट इज अ वाइटल पार्ट. आपने उसको प्रिवेंट किया वापस वेंटिलेटर पे जाने से, सक्सेसफुल वीनिंग के लिए, एंड देन रोड टू रिकवरी. So that is important. Then other than that, active के अंदर like post surgery में rehabilitation is a major role. ठीक है, पेशेंट की एक्सरसाइजेज आफ्टर द सर्जरी हैज बीन डन. आई नेवर से किसी का पार्ट कम है किसी का ज्यादा है. आई नेवर कंपेयर दैट. अ सर्जन इज प्लेइंग अ की रोल. ही इज द सर्जन and he has done studies for 11 years. We can never say कि we are equal to them. They are anyways above us because they have done degrees which we cannot only imagine doing. ठीक है, the 6 years studies, then they do 3 years, then मतलब 5 years is specialization. It's 11
हाँ,
years of
हाँ.
studies they have done.
MS then
So
MCH,
their
it
role
is
is,
a long
yes,
way.
that is something beyond. ठीक है, even an MD is not equivalent to an MCH surgeon. So they are somebody who are doing a very major part. They are also including us in their team. They have trust in us कि okay, now we are giving the patient to you. You must take care of him. In hospital, the patient is under the name of surgeon admitted. ठीक है, so we are his team. We are his right hand, left hands. So we have to make the surgery successful for the patient. So that we are doing. Early acute rehabilitation is done in ICUs only. ठीक है, after 1 day or 2 day the patient shifts to IPD, then home based rehabilitation starts. So that early phases of activity, rehabilitation, recruitment, that is important. The fear, the counseling, the education of the patient. one very important thing that I see in ICUs is that talking to patient is very important.
Engaging
Because
with the
patients in
patients, right?
ICU, yes, because in ICU, patients are mostly not with the relatives. They are alone and they're
Mm-hmm.
scared also. So once you go there, talk to them, make them realize कि नहीं, it will be fine and you do these things. So they develop a relationship with you, the interprofessional. Then positioning is an important part of physiotherapist in ICU. You have to take care कि अच्छा, if an apnea patient is there, OSA patient, he should not be lying flat at night. There should be 45-degree upright, postural drainage के लिए, then edema patients, all those things. So everything you are covering in the part कि you are reducing the hospital and ICU stay of the patient, making them recover faster, and actively participating in their recovery and their surgery. So that's all what we do.
It can. I think it can also help in the more effectiveness of the drugs that is being used in the patients.
Definitely. See, if the lungs have a lot of secretions, the
Mm-hmm.
nebulization won't have a good effect.
Yes, ma'am.
Secretions will be moved up, the nebulization will act
Will
faster,
act fast.
deposition will be better.
Yes,
ठीक है?
absolutely.
And vice versa. If you are getting nebulization done first, then you are doing chest clearance, the effectiveness of chest clearance techniques increases. So both are important. So definitely it plays a vital role in patient's recovery, road to recovery. So that's what we do.
Okay. What is the role of the cardiopulmonary physiotherapy in the emergency conditions? Like, is there
See,
any
if
extra role? Yes, yes.
in mostly in emergency departments, there are no physiotherapists.
Mm-hmm.
If you're talking a patient comes in with nausea, vomiting, SCI, TBI, or stuff
Mm-hmm.
like that, there is actually no role of
Like
physiotherapist there.
if there any case of MI, if there is any case of MI and the patient is admitted
In
the.
that case, I would say that it is role of everybody. The
Mm-hmm.
CPR, the basic assessment of BLS, it should be done and it should be known by every person, not only a
Mm-hmm.
physiotherapist, not only a healthcare worker, not only a doctor. Students, ठीक है, laymen, our parents, everybody should know this because this is a life-saving thing. MI can happen at your home also,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
right? And
absolutely.
then you should know how to see if this is a cardiac arrest and should I be performing CPR, and the CPR given immediately when the cardiac arrest, it double the chances of survival of the patient. ठीक है, you're calling the ambulance, you're taking the patient there, the patient may revive, but if you don't have any idea what's going on, what to do, then the patient will lose his life.
Yes,
You're
absolutely.
understanding? So in
Yes, yes, yes.
emergency thing, the BLS is something which is for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, in emergency department, there are emergency officers. ठीक है? For example, a dermatologist is not taking part in emergency. ठीक
Mm-hmm.
है? A rheumatologist is not taking part in emergency. There are things like that. There are specialities. So for physiotherapists, there is nothing to do in the emergency department.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Our role comes after that.
Mm-hmm.
There are patients who have come with acute abdominal cramps. What a physiotherapist will do in that, in a pancreatitis. So you have to know what is your limit, what's your boundary, what's your scope of
Mm-hmm.
work. Like the other specialties are not interfering among their work. A general surgeon will never interfere in a dermatologist opinion, right? A neurosurgeon will never interfere in the orthopedic surgeon's opinion.
Yeah,
A
absolutely.
pulmonologist will never interfere in the cardiologist opinion. So, a physiotherapist should also not interfere in that, and vice versa. A physician should not interfere, or orthopedician should not interfere in our exercise prescription and our decision making. There should be a justified boundary for each one of us so that we can practice for the well being of the patient.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So I have some questions that are being sent from the students regarding the cardiopulmonary conditions and physiotherapy. So a student asked me that can we cure pneumonia with just physiotherapy completely? Can we cure pneumonia completely with the just
No, no. See, a pneumonia is an active infection.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है? And active infections requires antibiotics. Like I said earlier, we need to know where is our limit, where we
Yes.
need to refer the patient, where we are assisting, and where is our core purpose. A
Mm-hmm.
pneumonia, a cardiac arrest, a physiotherapist cannot treat alone. Our boundaries lies there. ठीक है? Everything is not a physiotherapy case. That also you need to realize. A pancreatitis, perforation, and acute abdominal obstruction is not a physiotherapy case. You cannot treat it any means. ठीक है? So you need to realize where your boundary lies. You can take the patient's life if you try that. A pneumonia requires antibiotics along with active physiotherapy for the clearance and effectiveness of the antibiotics. So we are working together. If
Yes.
the patient will not get antibiotic, he may die of the infection and sepsis and septic shock. Getting my point?
Okay.
So it is
Yeah,
not
yeah,
like
I'm
if
getting it.
physiotherapists are anti-drugs or we are anti-physicians.
We
Each
work
field
with.
has its own part. We have to work in harmony in, together. Like even if the patient is having chronic pain, back pain, there is your main active rehabilitation lies. That's your core. ठीक है?
Yes, yes,
Muscle
yes.
strength development, muscle imbalance, deformity corrections, all these things. ठीक है? Even in ICU, muscle strength, respiratory muscle training, accessory muscles को suppress कैसे करना है, everything. That is our core purpose. Not to treat pneumonia without antibiotics and with physiotherapy. Okay?
Okay.
So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
need
I
to
got it.
realize
Yes,
that
ma'am.
everything cannot be treated with physiotherapy, and
Yes.
similarly, everything cannot be treated with drugs alone.
Drugs too. Yes. So the next question I was going to ask that what is the scope of cardiopulmonary rehab in India with respect to the job opportunities as well as the salaries?
So basically, a physiotherapist is a physiotherapist, MPT is MPT. The job opportunities nowadays, hospital ICU, they require dedicated cardio PTs. In tier one cities, it's the vacancies circulate that way only, कि they require MPT cardio.
Okay.
Specific demands are coming. ठीक है? From past 4 years only, when I started working only.
Okay.
ठीक है? Along with that, clinic के अंदर when somebody has opened an ortho clinic, you could not expect a cardio vacancy there. You'll expect a cardio vacancy in
In
hospital
hospital.
setting or a
OPD may I
rehabilitation
don't
setup.
think OPDs may I don't think that there is a much role of the cardio
No,
OPD.
no, they don't do also. ठीक है? If there is a pulmonary rehabilitation setup like in a metro hospital, then there is a role in OPD also.
Yes.
ठीक है? Like
Okay.
in Fortis Escorts Hospital, then there is a role in OPD also. You need to have that sort of setup. So according to the setup, the vacancies come. Since we have more clinics which are ortho based, so more vacancies come for ortho or just BPT. They take
Yes.
BPT graduates. They don't take MPT ortho.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है? So basically that is the thing. MPT salary are almost same. I would say sports come in a better spectrum in terms of salary because their vacancies are more with the teams. ठीक है? And cardio is doing well also. Ortho are the ones which are not getting enough paid because people choose BPT instead of MPT ortho,
Yes.
saying that BPTs are almost same and
Almost
with
same. Yes.
a little bit of training for a.
And there is much crowd in orthopedic space.
Yes,
That's
yes, and
one more reason I think.
it's more like के बीपीटी को 1-2 महीना train कर देंगे तो they are well enough to do the mobilization and treatment protocol. So they are doing that. In terms of that, the ortho field is a little bit suffering, I would say, and that's because of more crowd there. The neurophysio are also like same
They are
MPT neuro,
neutral.
MPT cardio. They're neutral. They're working well
I
with the
think the most
OPD.
okay, yeah. I think the most evolving field currently in the physiotherapy is the cardiopulmonary and the sports. These two are
Yes,
majorly
sports is
evolving. Yeah.
because sports is evolving because in India sports is evolving.
Yes.
Earlier in India as a whole, there was not much focus of the government of the people on sports. Now
Yes.
people are coming out individually also. Even without a team or a government backing, if they have a good family, their family supports them. The athlete comes together like Abhinav Bindra and all these people. They were
Yes.
individual. ठीक है, they went individually. So like that, and after that, there's so many games which have been taking a little bit of limelight. ठीक है, javelin throw. I don't think
Javelin
so
throw.
that anybody has ever thought of as a sport before.
Before Neeraj
Uh,
Chopra won the
yeah, before
Olympics
Neeraj
gold.
Chopra won the gold medal in the Olympics.
Yes.
Right, so that started after that. Then we have hockey, then we have after this dangle, our what you call
Wrestlings.
this wrestlings and all these sports, they're emerging. ठीक है? So that is why the need for physiotherapist, the need for from the government, they have increased. So that is
Yes.
why the sports is a good branch, I would say. Any day you take it, it's a good branch. It's a limelight kind of a branch. So yes, definitely.
ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट है आस्क मी, कॉलेज में बस सिक्रीशंस को मोबिलाइज करना और पोस्चरल ड्रेनेज करना बताया जाता है, क्या कार्डियो पल्मोनरी पीटी में बस इतना ही है?
See, this I have told many times on my Instagram also. You can go to my Instagram and watch a lot of things I have uploaded there. Okay, it is not just that. It's so much more than that. Rehabilitation, secondary complication prevention, and that too airway clearance का मैंने पूरा एक lecture लिया है, and that is a 4 to 5 hours lecture, 4 hour lecture, and that is without devices. उसमें मैंने devices include नहीं किए हैं. ठीक है, सो पूरा करिकुलम बन सकता है उसका एक. बट वही है, क्योंकि आई वुड से कि फिजियोथेरेपी कॉलेजेस के अंदर इवन द प्रोफेसर्स आर नॉट दैट मच एक्सपोज टू द रिहैब इन आईसीयू, सो दे डोंट नो दैट देमसेल्व्स.
यस यस,
सो दैट इज द
एंड वन
लैकिंग.
यस एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर रीजन जो मैं भी देखता हूँ मैम, आई जस्ट पास आउट, और मेरे भी सिलेबस में इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं था लिटरली. द क्वेश्चन इज, मैंने भी जो पीटी कार्डियो का सिलेबस हमारा था उसमें बस ये सिक्रेशंस को मोबिलाइज करना, पोस्चरल ड्रेनेज एंड द जो हमारे चेस्ट मोबिलिटी को इंक्रीज करना, बस इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं था. तो जो सिलेबस
बट
है वो भी.
आई थिंक तुम खोल के देखोगे तो बीपीटी फोर्थ ईयर में हमारे सिलेबस में मैकेनिकल वेंटिलेटर्स भी थे, ऑक्सीजन थेरेपी भी थी. ठीक
मैम
है,
लेकिन
मैकेनिकल इंसफलेशन एक्सफलेशन भी था. आई रिमेम्बर हमारे फोर्थ ईयर के सिलेबस में ये सब कुछ था, बट नोबडी टॉट अस बिकॉज दे डोंट नो देमसेल्व्स कि है क्या ये. हमें सिर्फ पोस्चरल ड्रेनेज ही पढ़ाया गया था, चेस्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेज ही पढ़ाई गई थी,
हाँ,
डायफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग पढ़ाया गया था. दैट्स और मैकेनिकल वेंटिलेटर में तो क्या पढ़ाया तो मुझे आज तक नहीं याद, समझ में नहीं आया मुझे कि था क्या वो. इवन ऑक्सीजन थेरेपी में भी सेम ये सब था हमारे सिलेबस में. ये हमारे टीचर ने हैंड आउट्स भी देते थे, नोट्स भी देते थे, बट कभी पढ़ाया नहीं उस वे में कि हमें उसका वैल्यू समझ में आया उसका. तभी जो स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन दे कम फॉर द पोस्टिंग दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग. So this is the lacking. That is why a physiotherapy should be developed in a place where they have attached hospital. ताकि even BPT can go to the ICUs, BPT can do all these things. जैसे यहाँ पे तो होता है, you go to hospital for postings ना fourth year में,
हाँ,
then you
हाँ.
learn things. तो वही चीज है, less lack of exposure, lack of knowledge, even in the I'm not trying to disrespect anybody, but it's harsh truth. They also don't have that much exposure about cardio PT, so they cannot teach you if they don't know. Right? That's
मोस्ट
the
मोस्ट
truth
ऑफ
behind it.
मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉलेजेस के पास प्रोफेसर्स भी नहीं है वैसे जो इस चीज से स्पेसिफाइड हैं फॉर द कार्डियो
Exactly,
स्टफ्स.
exactly. So बस वही है, that is the emerging field, जैसे we say. So it's emerging. If you ask me 11 years back when I took admission in BPT and today, if there is a difference, so yes, we have grown so much. So I'm expecting in next 5 years, 10 years, it will grow even more.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I won't take more time. The last question from my, what is the most challenging and interesting case in your life till now, जो भी आपने अभी तक में देखा है?
Challenging and interesting. That was, I think, I would say, was in COVID times.
It
There
was
were so
challenging
many
for everyone.
cases.
Yes.
It was challenging for everybody, and they were interesting also because they were responding to the rehab.
I think
There were
after
so many
that, I
patients.
think after that particular incident, the field of cardiopulmonary emerges a lot. उसके बाद बहुत ज़्यादा
Yes,
मतलब कैसा लगा
yes, I
कि
would say
boost
that.
up हो.
I was just finished with my MPT at that time, and I think it was from God's side only. Just after I finished it, it got a little limelight also. But yes, COVID did help us grow a lot. It taught us a lot also because definitely pulmonary rehabilitation in COVID, it played a vital role. ठीक है, with positioning, with exercises, with muscle strengthening, because the steroid was have patients were receiving steroids in high dosage, which was impacting their muscle strength, edema. Even after their chest were clear of infection, they were not able to stand and walk. So the rehabilitation helped a lot. It took months for the patients to recover from that, even after getting rid of the active COVID infection. Okay, so literally, I have got testimonies of patients, gifts from patients also, who came back 6, 7 months later to meet me and give me presents. Ke, no, no, ma'am, this is our thank you. And it's because of you only that we are able to stand up today. So that was rewarding also. We lost patients, of course, because of, active deadly infections. But yeah, it taught us so many things.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So that was all the questions from my side. आपने बोला था
Thank
कि
you so
टाइम कम है,
much.
इसलिए आई टुक स्मॉल क्वेश्चंस, छोटे कम ही क्वेश्चंस
Thank you
मैंने
so
लिए
much.
थे।
So it was nice talking to you. I hope I was able to answer your questions,
यस मैम,
and I
एब्सोल्युटली।
hope your audience will take some good points out of it and think about cardio PT also as a field which has a lot of growth, because a
यस
lot
यस।
of, you know, unexplored thing are still there
Now,
to be
now a
explored
lot
in
of
cardio.
yes, ma'am. Now a lot of students are coming forward for the cardiopulmonary masters, and they have more interest. They are generating more interest in this particular topic. So
Yes, definitely. I'm seeing that also because ever since I started my page 2 years back till now I see people opting for it. Otherwise, it used to be the last choice for
yes,
students. So that makes it worth it. कि, okay, my efforts on social media, I think, had made a difference that people realize it now and they are making the choice.
yes, ma'am, absolutely.
So
You have made a great impact on this topic through social media.
thank you so much. चलो,
Okay,
Akshay, it was nice talking to you.
thank you,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
I wish you all the best. You are doing great. ठीक है? It is
Thank you
very
so much,
important
ma'am.
for you to build a social media presence from the very early age. ठीक है? Keep going this path and you will also grow so much.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, ma'am,
Bye.
for coming. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.